Hey guys, can y'all see the beautiful snow behind me? We got our first snowfall of this season for 2025 winter. Let's see, I haven't done anything with my hair yet. I just thought I'd pop on here really quick and do like a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a really long time, almost a year. I'm gonna have to do something with that. Um, so I thought I would just do what I'm thinking is like an intro vlog and then maybe break it into smaller little chunks and post the smaller chunks. But this will just be like an intro to the little vlogs that I'm going to post over the next few days or week or what have you. It's something I've kind of been thinking about. My channel is very stagnant at this moment, and I think YouTube may actually be punishing me. I actually logged in today to look at my analytics. I don't do that often. It's just not something I do. I should maybe, but I don't. And I saw this message and I'll put it right here. And to me, that sounds like I'm being punished for not posting as often as I used to. So that's part of the vlog too. Things have just been kind of busy around here and different things going on. I guess I could talk about that in this intro. Not out in the garden as much as maybe I had been in the past. As you know, I had that yellow jacket attack a couple times in the summer. That kind of kept me out of the garden. And that just kind of spiraled things, I think. And it did seem like I was making some of the same content over and over. Towards the end of summer, mostly just the garden tour with the tomato and peppers. But maybe now that my channel is so stagnant, this is a good time to branch out maybe more. So I may, and just don't watch the videos that don't pertain to you. I will be more garden focused come say late winter, early spring when I maybe start seedlings. I haven't fully decided on that yet. We are still watching Zillow and the housing market. That's a whole separate little tangent there as well. I won't go into right now. But I have been feeling frustrated with the channel. Um, uh, and I'm not making content to get views or subscribers. It really is a journey for me and a channel of hopefully trying to help other people. But there has been a change, and it was about 3-ish months ago, 3 to 4 months ago, I just noticed like an immediate drop off of views. And it's gotten progressively worse to the point in the last 3 to 4 weeks, maybe a handful of views, if that. So I had that little insert there of the last few weeks' views, if you were curious. And so you heard my phone going off. That's another thing the last couple weeks. My grandma, she's been on the video a few times, different videos, not doing well at all. And she's, 10 plus hours away in Kentucky. So I've been on and off of the phone for the last couple weeks, trying to navigate things from here. She was sick, and then she got severe food poisoning, and she ended up in the hospital, which was a great thing because they found 2 things that were wrong with her, in addition to this list that is a mile long of other chronic issues that she's dealing with at 87. She is currently home. She just went home night before last. And so I'm constantly on the phone with her, making sure she's okay, taking her medicine. And that was her. Yes, so that is one thing that's been going on the last few weeks, 2-ish weeks. She was in the hospital almost a whole week, and so lots of doctor phone calls and other things going on. I've been working on my health this year in 2025. The perimenopause really kicked my butt and really put my whole body out of whack, and a lot of things were needing to get adjusted. Like my B12 was rock bottom, like down at around 300. So I had to do daily supplement. Last winter, I think it was December, I was put on the prescription vitamin D because my vitamin D was way, way, way down at the bottom. And that did help. And now I'm on a daily supplement for that as well. My numbers are okay. I feel better. Like I can feel a physical difference from when I started trying to get help medically for what was going on with my body. Um, I do feel better. So I have had some intervention with a gynecologist, and um, that's what my last vlog was kind of about. The one I posted about 10, 11 months ago. Maybe it was almost a year ago, because I feel like, yeah, I'm going to go back and watch that because maybe that needs to be a separate topic. It's a little TMI, right? Too much information. TIM? No, TMI. Yeah. I'm just all over the place, guys. Trying to get back into my writing. I've kind of tried to restart my writing channel as well. Um, that's a whole nother topic as well. So it's just been frustrating here lately. And now we've got the holidays. We had Thanksgiving and all this other stuff was going on during that week. And my refrigerator went out. I did not have a refrigerator indoor in the house for 2 days. I had my old one outside, thankfully, in my old freezer. So it was an all day job just to move stuff from my indoor fridge, freezer to the garage. Had to purge, had to cook a lot of stuff. It was really bad timing right before Thanksgiving. We did end up having Thanksgiving. I was just on a totally different schedule. So this isn't going to be long. I just wanted to do a quick let you know what's going on. Things have been frustrating. I have not been the best garden channel. I know that. And thank you for still being here if you are. And I'm going to make some separate little smaller vlogs on these topics that I might want to delve into a little bit deeper. Things are just frustrating. And I don't want to give up my channel. I thought about that. I thought about it. I'm like, should I just walk away, or should I take like a 3-month break and reset my channel? I've never really wanted to think about the algorithm or how to focus on it or how to manipulate it. I just want to post what I want to post and share what I want to share. And I know that's probably not the right thing to do, but that's what feels natural to me. I think I will continue just to do that. I have to think about all this. I'm not sure how to process it or where to go with the channel just being kind of flat. Maybe that is something I need to work on, like what I'm putting out there. And maybe I do need a break. Maybe. I don't know. What are your thoughts? I'll be back. I'll make a few of these over the next few days because it's really a good cathartic venting space. Thank you for listening, and I will see you soon. Bye.